Zoology. Today we are discussing about gametogenesis. Already we are discussing about fertilization, reproduction. Last class we are discussing the male reproductive system and female reproductive system. Today gametogenesis. Gametogenesis. This gametogenesis is the one sexual reproduction. Gametogenesis are participation into the ovum and spines. These ovum and spines of the reproductive organs in male and female reproduction. This female reproduction of gametogenesis is the male reproduction of gametogenesis is called as spermatogenesis. Male reproduction of male reproduction of gametogenesis is called as spermatogenesis, and female reproduction is called an oogenesis. First, we are discussing the spermatogenesis. This spermatogenesis is the sexual reproduction of testes. This is the male reproductive organ of testes. This is an sexual organ. This sexual organ is testes and ovum. Ovum is an female sexual organ. Sex organ. First, male sexual organ of testes are formed by the gametogenesis is called as spermatogenesis. We are discussing about spermatogenesis. See this diagram. This spermatogenesis is the male reproductive system of human being. This reproductive system. In the testes, the male reproductive organ of gens are formed by the spermatogonium. These spermatogonium are formed to the spines. Are you understand? Male reproductive system in the testes. These testes of male reproductive organ. Male reproductive organ of testes to production of spines is called as spermatogonium. Spermatogonium are produced into the spines are called in the spermatogenesis. These spermatogenesis are begins at the puberty. Begins of puberty. This puberty is the mitosis divisions and meiosis divisions. Puberty. We are seeing in the first level of diagram in spermatogonium. This spermatogonium is produced spines. The puberty levels are increased into the mitosis divisions. These mitosis divisions are diploid. Diploid cells are the counting of chromosomes or multiplying of chromosomes. These chromosomes are level to the 46 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes are divided into the two meiosis divisions. These spermatogonium stem cells are produced into the primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes are developed to the meiotic divisions. These meiotic divisions or cells are developed or and haploid are equals to the equal size and haploid of the cells is the primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes first meiotic divisions are completed into the first phase. This first phase of spermatogonia or the spermatogonia are divides into the primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes of the cells is mitotic divisions are completed or mostly meiotic divisions are the completed. These mitotic meiotic divisions are completed into the primary spermatocytes are to form the secondary spermatocytes. These secondary spermatocytes are chromosomes are equal haploid size of the chromosomes are equals to the haploid size of the chromosomes are formed into the two chromosomes are equals to the to formation of the chromosomes are 23 chromosomes. These secondary spermatocytes are multiplying to the second meiotic divisions. These second meiotic divisions are formation in the primary spermatocytes are formed and secondary spermatocytes. Primary secondary spermatocytes of the meiotic divisions are completed to formation of the spermatozoa. These spermatozoa cells are equals and spermatozoa cells and chromosomes are equals to the name of the spermatid. These spermatids are cells are the haploid and diploid. Therefore, on the spermatozoans are absent in the Sertoli cells. These Sertoli cells are activated on the stimulating of hormones. These hormones, two types of hormones are followed into the process. These two types of hormone is called and the one is spermatozoa are converted into the spermatid. These formation of spermatids are called to the spermatosis. These spermatosis are participated into the two levels of the hormones. Two types of hormones are called two types of hormones. First one is luteinizing hormone. Luteinizing hormone. Second one is follicle stimulating hormone. Follicle stimulating hormone. You know, these hormones are repeated into the 10th class. Luteinizing hormone are acts in Leydig cells. Leydig cells and Stiroli cells. Next, luteinizing follicle stimulating hormone are acts on the hormones. Acts on the hormones. They are activated hormones and participated in hormones and to participate the preparation to participate the work into the hormones is follicle stimulated hormones. This topic is enough. Second one, spends. Luteinizing hormones and follicle stimulating hormone, we are effectively participated into the any work of the fertilization, and fertilization of the reproductive system is activation of hormones in follicle stimulating hormone. This follicle stimulating hormone short name of FSH. Luteinizing hormone is LH. They are discussing and spends. You know, spends are very easy into the head part, body part, tail part. This is head-like structure is the covering of plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. This is one type of an cup-like structure. These cup-like structure of animal, they are present into the nucleus structure. There is called an acrosomes. Acrosomes, middle piece, tail. These middle piece are presented into the numerical structures. These numerical structures are there in mitochondria. They are present into the nucleus, into the numerical structure. First, these animals are present to the parts of plasma membrane, middle piece, tail. This is the most important parts into the animal. This plasma membrane cover to the whole body like structure. This whole body covering the part of plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is animals to cover into the cup-like structure. These cup-like structure are present in the animal. Any participation to penetrate the another animal. Acrosomes. Acrosomes are penetration to another animal. You know, there is a penetrating part are useful to the fertilization. This penetrating is another animal. This overall body of the sexual organ is penetrated to another animal. They are called into the fertilization of organism or acrosomes. These acrosomes are useful to sexual organs and spines-like structure. They are present in the another part of middle piece. This middle piece is the moving of the animal is very important of this part, and motile to the part is middle piece. This cover-like structure is called an mitochondria. These mitochondria are the energy producing cells in our body and energy cells. To production of energy cells of mitochondria and to middle part of the middle piece of the animal. There is a nucleus is present in this animal, and to produce the and to penetrate in another animal and to move the another way of the animal. Next one, tail. This is the motile of the tail and moving of the tail. These animals are using of the 400% of chromosomes are motile. Next, another one is at least 600% of chromosomes are needed for this animal. At least 400 chromosomes are motile in this animal of the chromosomes in this animal of start the fertilization. Next, we are discussing an ovum. Okay, we are discussing ovum. Already discussed into the gametogenesis and spermatogenesis are structure and the spermatozoon. Next one is ovum. This ovum is the female sexual gamete is called an ovulation are found in the ovum. These ovum are produced into the mother gametes into the reproductive part. This mother gamete of the cells is called the ovulation of this animal. This mother gamete are formed into the ovum. This ovum is called an oogenesis. These oogenesis are in the formation of the oogonia. This oogonia is formation in the one animal to participate the mother cells in gametes and to multiplying the cells of mitosis divisions. These mitosis divisions and prophages are participated are not multiplying the chromosomes. There is not multiplying. Not multiply the chromosomes. We are participated in the mother gamete is participated into the oogenesis. These oogonia are formation of the mitosis divisions and prophages. Prophase 1. Prophase 1 are participated into the fetal life and birth childhood into the puberty. This puberty of the animals are multiplying of animals. One chromosome are divided into two. Two chromosomes are divided into four. This is called into the puberty. This puberty life of animals are to growth of the adult reproductive life of these animals. These animals of the oogonia. These oogonia are formation of the animal of primary oocytes. These primary oocytes of the animals is the multiplying the mitotic divisions are completely mitosis or mitotic cycle is completed in oogonia and to the formation of primary oocyte it is not participated into the mitosis division. These are participated into only of the meiotic divisions. This life cycle is completed. They are not completed into the period to the ovulation. First mitotic divisions are not completed. This phase are to formation of the secondary oocyte. First, this primary oocyte, the primary oocytes of the meiotic divisions are the birth childhood puberty. This birth childhood puberty are formation into the meiotic. Next one, secondary oocytes. These secondary oocytes is the one formation is one into the small and another one is bigger than the size into the chromosomes. The small of the chromosome is called as the first polar body and second one is the biggest one is the secondary oocyte. These chromosomes are differentiated or difficult of this animal. First one is smallest of the chromosome are participated. This one of the chromosome is microscopic like structure are there in this This microscopic structure of the first polar body and secondary oocyte are participated into the fertilization. This fertilization occurs into the another level of the body. The another level of the body is the oocyte is called as the secondary polar body. This secondary polar body, two chromosomes are not equal into the size into the secondary oocyte phase. First one is small, another one is bigger. This bigger chromosome are participated into the fertilization. After that, we are forming up to the ovum. These ovum are embroidered or haploid. These haploid cells are participated into the fertilization. After that, childbirth. We are activation of the ovum and sperms are combines of the fertilization and occupies the place of childbirth. This childbirth are participated in only for female gamete. We are note down this point. Male gamete and female gamete are participated into the ovum, but we are occupies the place into the female animal only. These female gametes or female animals are to ovum is embroidered and ovulation process is called as the female reproductive organ. This childbirth puberty place is called as the female organ. Next one, we are discussing about ovulation. Another one is ovulation period. This ovulation or formation of 60,000 to 80,000 chromosomes are released. These chromosomes are released to the ovum, and to participate into the chromosomes are 2 or 3 chromosomes are participated into the other ovum of the fertilization. Okay, we are discussing in another topic of menstrual cycle in next class. Okay, once again, this how many topics are discussed in this class? First topic is gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the sexual organ of male and female reproductive system of this process is called as gametogenesis. These gametogenesis are participated in the male reproduction is called as spermatogenesis. Female reproduction is called as oogenesis. First we are discussing into the topic of spermatogenesis. This spermatogenesis This spermatogenesis is the male reproductive organ of testes. Male reproductive organ in immature testes are to formation of the spermatogonium or to form in the sperms is called as spermatogenesis. Simplification of the form of spermatogonium to formation of sperms is called as spermatogenesis. This spermatogenesis begins at the puberty. You know, puberty is the participation of one chromosome. Puberty are participated of this spermatogenesis unto the spermatogenesis stem cells are activation of this process. The spermatogenesis stem cells are participated into the chromosomes. These chromosomes are doubled or haploid. process. These multiplying the chromosomes are 46 chromosomes. These 46 chromosomes are activated in the spermatogenesis process are to divided into the haploid, diploid, triploid chromosomes. These chromosomes are spermatogenesis stem cells are participated into the primary spermatogenesis cycle. These primary spermatogenesis cycles of the participation of chromosomes into the meiotic divisions in 23, and secondary spermatogenesis stem cells are participated the chromosome of another one is 23. This totally chromosomes are 46 participated in this process. These chromosomes are participated into the haploid process. These haploid cells are spermatids and spermatozoans are formation in this process. Spermatozoans is called a spermathecia. Another one, this life cycle of the spermatogenesis is called to activate the hormones is two types of hormones are activated in this process. First hormone is luteinizing hormone. Second one is follicle stimulating hormone. These two types of hormones are participated in this process of spermatogenesis. First one, luteinizing hormone acts on Leydig cells and Stiroli cells. Follicle stimulating hormone are participated into the activation of these hormones. Activates the hormones. These hormones activated into the spermatogenesis process. Another one is spermatozoon structure. Spermatozoon are the main body parts of head, neck, middle part, tail. First we are discussing into the neck. First we are discussing about head. This head portion is the main important part of the animal. Main important part of the animal head is called there is the complex structure of the animal. This complex structure is called an plasma membrane. This plasma membrane overall cover to the body and middle part of the place is occupies into the acrosome. Middle part, tail. Already we are discussing this body parts. Acrosomes are participated into the fertilization. Plasma membrane is participated into the overall the body and cover of the animal in this plasma membrane. Next, acrosomes are used into the penetration of this another animal. Middle part is there into the animal. This middle part is the energy storing part. This energy storing part like structures is there. These like structures are called into the mitochondria. You know, we are discussing in mitochondria in 10th class. This mitochondria, another name is energy storing of the cells. This energy storing of the cells of spermatozoon is there in the middle part. Tail is the use of this animal. This animal moving and motile of the using of the tail. This overall animal is participated and penetrate the parts and chromosomes. 600% of chromosomes are motile in this animal. At least 600 to 400 animals are activation and participation of the fertilization. Next one, primary mother cells in the reproduction is oogenesis. Male and female gametes are combined to the fertilization. Female gamete produces the ovum. They are the chromosomes and meiosis divisions are not multiplying in this phase. We are haploid stage of this process. Meiosis and prophages are participated in this process. Oogenesis process is called the secondary. Primary oogenesis process are called into the process chromosomes. These chromosomes are 6,000 to 800 chromosomes are released into this process. Are not multiplying this process of animals is called as the chromosomes. We are discussing at the puberty of the animals is called meiotic divisions of the chromosomes are one is small, another one is bigger. This one is micro chromosomes, macro chromosomes. These micro chromosomes are not participated in this animal. Macro chromosomes are participation of the another animal of this oogenesis process. This oogenesis process is called as ovum is formation at the end of this process. This is the topic. Anyone you are asking the questions. First one is what is gametogenesis? Second one is spermatogenesis process in the reproduction. Third structure of the spermatozoon. We are discussing these topics. Already we know that points and to any asking questions we are needed for these teachers. First we are note down these questions in this class. First question, what is oogenesis process? Another one is spermatozoon structure with the help of a diagram. Okay, ma, tomorrow we are discussing about menstrual cycle.